That's an owl. Guys, we see more of this owl later in the video. Don't miss out, it's amazing.
Wow. Hi guys, today, even though it is really snowy still, Ian and Helen and myself are off on a hike as part of our 1,000-mile challenge. So yeah.
Intrepid explorers,
Yeah.
practicing for the Himalayas.
Yes.
Yeah.
Switzerland, here we come.
Definitely. So we are on part of the Wye Valley Walk and it is just so beautiful today. Stunningly beautiful.
Your foot across the same hole, you see.
Oh! Well, like they're quite that wide, you know.
Possibly a swan, I'm not sure.
There's a daffodil.
Daffodils trying to come out. Spring is nearly here. No, that's amazing how it just curls like a wave, like the sea. Look at these snowdrifts. Little tiny lambs.
And in January I found out. We saw this field fair and actually we saw quite a few of these. There was one in my garden. I'll put a link to that video at the end of this. They're really beautiful. They're a type of thrush and we did see quite a lot of these on this walk. Guys, if you are new, please smash that subscribe button. Do not miss out on these videos. It'd be great to have you on board. Cheers, guys.
Hello. You're so beautiful. It's just starting to rain, getting a bit chilly, so we're going to go backtrack to get some lunch. How deep the snow is here.
Yeah, now obviously this is tiny section.
So this is the second part of our walk. We're just going up this way have a look at the river a little bit more, and then we're going back. The carvery of the bunch of carrots was amazing. Well worth a visit if you're in Herefordshire way. Hereford, it's beautiful. Still a load of ice just formed over there still. Oh, look at the horses.
They're quite hard, you know, they've got coats on.
Beautiful.
There you go, it's something you wouldn't think you'd be doing.
Okay, what do you think those are?
They're the shells,
They're shells.
definitely. Mussels. Mussels, cockles. I think what else?
Ian's just found these in the river. He's going to tell us what they are in a sec. Are they?
Yep.
Freshwater oysters?
Freshwater oysters. Or freshwater.
Cold, Helen.
There we go.
Oh, right.
That's enough. You were right, it was wet.
So beautiful. So we're just going back that way, back to the bunch of carrots, and then head off over that way back home. That's an owl.
We're in the way.
Wow.
The magpies got killed by it.
Just along here was where the barn owl was flying, and that's kind of where he just flew over. So just there, we were stood the other side, and he just flew over there towards us and then around and came back. It's absolutely amazing. I've never ever seen a barn owl for so long before, and never filmed it like that. That was just so brilliant, fantastic to see. And look at the view. That was stunning, that. Fantastic, I'm so excited, that was amazing.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
All right, lovely. Lovely, good to see you,
ya.
darling. See you soon.
Thank you. Yeah.
Yeah, well, nice.
Cool, nice walk, thank you.
Was.
To do it again.